So in today's video we discuss how to create a quotient equal to symbol in our computer using keyboard shortcut. For doing this you must first turn on the num log. That is, suppose if the number log is turned off, you must turn on. Then you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 8799. After typing 8799 you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that this symbol have been arrived. So we have created a quotient equal to symbol using this keyboard shortcut, that is alt 8799. So you can try this after opening MS Office Word, that is Microsoft Word, in your computer. Another method is you must simply type 225F and after that you press this alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time, then also you can see the same symbol arrived. For more videos you can subscribe.